Jeff Hubby presents Taco Tuesday. What's up, gang? Today's Taco Tuesday. As you can see, I'm getting it started with all my vegetables, getting the flame, and also getting some of that good old avocado oil. You want to use some good oil, guys, when you start sizzling up your tacos. So put a little bit in there. Don't be scared to do that. Then we're gonna get all these assembled. I chopped up some bell peppers and onions, and we're gonna just toss these around a little bit to kind of get some color and get them opaque a little bit, and kind of just start building flavors. That's the most important thing, is building flavors. And I have right here a piece of sage. Throw that in there, and we're gonna do turkey today. So I added sage just for a hint of, I don't know, deliciousness, because I feel like doing it. Put your onions in there with that next. Boom. And get those colored up a little bit. Not too much, but not too little. And you guys didn't see, but I added some basil in there as well. That's a little basil part. But garlic, I like to put salt on my garlic, as you saw in the beginning, because the salt just kind of brings out the natural oils. And you just want to get it right about there. Nice little color, so you can start assembling. You want to add your turkey, ground turkey, guys, 85-15 or 90-10 if you're disciplined enough, but the fattier the better. So don't be scared to put that in there. I got a little Italian seasoning, shake that in there because it's good. And this is some of my secret sauce. I'll tell you guys about it if you're really curious about it, but for now it's secret sauce, so I'm gonna just get that in there. Yeah, just like that. Some taco seasoning, boom, just like that. And I like to put a little Maldon salt, guys. You know that's my favorite. So I put a little Maldon salt on top of that to kind of give it a nice texture. And just kind of like a finishing salt. Just brings everything together real nice. And of course, I can't forget the cilantro. Add that in there, mix it around, put some additional color and flavor to get that authentic Taco Tuesday experience. You gotta have cilantro, guys. Cannot forget that. Just mix it around, not too late in the process and not too early, just kind of like right in the, I guess right before you're getting ready to kind of get a, finishing touch to it. So don't be scared to mix it around. Mix, 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 mix. Look at that. Ooh, it looks good. Yeah. And last but not least, I gotta get these shells in, guys. You gotta make sure you put your shells in the oven, because that's the best way to do it. Just like that. And you wanna put them in there for like 2 or 3 minutes on 325. Not too much, just kind of watch it and make sure they're nice and kind of getting like a little sizzle. You don't want them to get too golden because you don't want them to overcook, but they should look like that, but extra crispier. So put these together. You're gonna assemble your tacos, guys. Assemble them so your family can have a nice taco experience. And you can get your tortillas, and you get your lechuga and your avocado, and subscribe please to my channel for more additional flavor.